Good morning. Good morning. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today is April 9th. It is a little bit after 9:20 Eastern Time, ready for the markets to open in about 8 minutes. Wanted to look at some of the stocks today. Just want to let you know that overall the markets are a little slow. There isn't much action right now. Usually in April and May, it's a little bit slower, and then June it starts to pick up as we're getting ready into the summer. But I have a few stocks that I'm looking at, and I've been invested in for a while. And now news is starting to come out that the best time to take advantage of a lot of the tech sector, which is going to start to move soon. I don't know when, but I know it's going to start to move soon. There are a lot of these stocks that are undervalued, immensely undervalued, and I wanted to take a look at a few of them as well as some of the cryptocurrencies. Plug, I'm invested for the long run. Yesterday, I made a video in which I invested at $31 or so, and I made a profit. And now I'm looking. Hopefully, if it makes a dip by again to the 31s, I'm gonna invest again and take more. I have a loss on another one of my apps, but I'm still holding for the long term because this stock is going to go up. It's going to go up. So let's take a look at a few other ones. Leaf. Leaf is one of my newer stocks that I'm looking at. Leaf has had two green days. It jumped from the mid 860 or so, went up to the nines, and it's consolidating in this area right here. I'm hoping that it has a breakout. If it has a breakout, then I might invest in it as well. FCEL is low right now. It's a great time to buy. This one is on sale. There's a lot of news that the plug FCEL are going to go up to at least mid 20s very soon. I don't know when. We're expecting some news. And I know that both of these stocks have had um, very good opportunities and they're going to come out eventually. So do not give up on these. Neo is one of my long-term stocks. It has been holding in the 38, 39 area. As you can see that with before I even looked at it, that's where it popped up. Whoops, let's wait till this chart clears up. Here we go. See, it's been holding in this area. I can just look at a few more days back. Yep, 38, 39 area right in here. It's been consolidating for several days, so it's getting ready to make a move. That's where it was at its low, which was a great time to buy. And I have some shares in this, and I'm holding for the long term. I believe it's going to go beyond the $42 range. What else are we looking at? Let's look at some of the crypto stocks. Riot is one of them that I'm looking at. Yesterday, I alerted this, and you can see it went from, let's see, from the down here 47, and it went up to all the way to 52. When I alerted it at 8 in the morning, it was at about 49, and that would have been a $3 share earning. It went down after it hit that, and then it went right back up. I expect this stock to make a move towards the mid or high 50s as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum make a move. Riot and this one, Mara, Mara, will make a move. Mara is more likely to make the immediate move, but as you see, it's on a downtrend right now. So we're expecting it to break out as soon as Bitcoin breaks out. These two will break out. You better believe it. Now let's just take a look at Bitcoin. Some people don't really like to jump into these. Let's do Ethereum first. This is whoops, entered that incorrectly. ELX. Okay, this is Ethereum right now. It's at 2076. I put a picture up on my social media, Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, that I'm hoping I get a dip somewhere at around 1960s. If I do get a dip, I'm gonna purchase more. If I don't, I'm holding. I'm gonna attempt to see if there's a dip in there. You see, like here there was a dip. Here there was a dip right there. You see 1, 2, 3, those dips. There's another dip. So I'm hoping I get one more dip so that way I can jump in before this one takes off, as well as Bitcoin BLX. Let's see, this is the last one that I'm looking at for the day. And Bitcoin is very similar move as well. You can see very similar trend. It hit the support right here at 55,633, and then it's back up to 58. We're expecting it, or they're experts expecting this to go to 75, and that's at least a 30% increase from 60,000. I expect Ethereum to do the same, to go to 2,600, if not more. 2,600. That's a 30% gain. So jump in now while you have the chance. In the next several days or 2 to 3 weeks, this is going to go up. A few more stocks that I'm looking at just to see if there's a movement. Nope. Macy's I'm holding. If it jumps back to down, goes back down to 14s, high 14s, I'll jump back in. JetBlue, I know this one is going to go up to 24, 25. Once London flights start to kick in, this will go up. But I'm not in it right now because I already cashed in and I'm waiting for it to go down. If it goes down into the 18s, I'm going to invest in this stock. Ford has been holding in the 12s for a long time, at least 20 days out. Let's see, 12. So it's been holding out in this range for quite some time right now. I don't see much of a move in here. So about 2 weeks time, maybe it made a little bit higher move, and people are just consolidating in this area and holding on, and expecting for Ford to make its electric Ford F-150. That would be fantastic. There are some other stocks that I'm looking at. Norwegian Cruise Lines. I made a dip buy in this one as well. If it drops more than the 30s, I will jump back in. I believe this is a good buy. It's I've been making some quick returns on this one. It goes up, down, up, down, up. So, as long as you watch some of these stocks regularly, you'll be able to pick up on these trends quickly as I do. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Have a wonderful and fantastic weekend and take some time to be with your family. Enjoy it.